नमस्कारम एंड वेलकम टू ऑल द गॉर्जियस लेडीज। स्वागत है आपका हमारे आज के एपिसोड में, जो कि है ब्यूटीफुल ट्रेडिशनल एंड ऑथेंटिक कंचीपट्टू साड़ीज के बारे में। आई विल बी शोइंग यू द ब्यूटीफुल साड़ीज। कॉल इट संक्रांति, बिहू, Pongal or Lohri, so many different names but one huge celebration all across our country. And this festive season we are going to give you a special surprise by selecting one lucky draw winner every single day till the 14th of January. This lucky winner will be provided a gift voucher worth rupees 2500. Isn't that amazing? Yes it is, ladies. You can redeem that voucher right away, immediately, or on your next shopping experience on our website too. So ladies, get excited and make sure that you keep shopping from Varamahalakshmi Silks to be the next lucky draw winner. So now ladies, let me first show you the sari that I'm wearing right now. And this one is a gorgeous mustard with pink color Kanchipattu sari. A beautiful one. On the body we have floral buttees in gold zari. And the lovely border for the sari has Ganda Barundas, florals, cross lines and peacocks in gold zari. There's a beautiful pallu also. It's a contrasting pallu with cross lines and florals in the cross lines and gold zari. And a very lovely contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG961. Weaver's price is 17,999 and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So ladies, before moving on to the next sari, let me just tell you that these beautiful saris are pure Kanchipuram silk saris. They are very traditional, they are very authentic, and let me first tell you that these saris are going to be the heirloom of your family. They are going to be the heritage of your family. So please make sure that you are placing the order to the weaver's prices, which are valid only for 24 hours. Moving on to the next gorgeous one. Here comes another very beautiful sari. Let me now show you the border, which has diamonds, leaves jal, cross lines, and then we have beautiful floral buttees with peacocks. Let's have a look at the pallu now. It has florals and curvy checks. There are paisleys and leaves jal, all this beautiful work in gold zari. And a very lovely self blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG933. Weaver's price is 15,999. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So ladies, before moving on to the next sari, let me just tell you that if there is any specific color combination that you want to see in today's episode, please let me know your answers in the comment section down below. That way I will be able to show you more of your favorites and you can shop more and more from Varamahalakshmi Silks, and also you could be the next lucky draw winner. Now this one is a blue with green color Kanchipattu sari. It's a very royal color combination. Very beautiful design is there on the body. We have floral buttees and then florals and leaves jal. All this work in champagne gold zari is giving a beautiful glow to the already lovely blue color body. The green color border has leaf buttees with cross lines, and then we have paisleys and florals and peacocks in boxes. You can see the paisleys and peacocks have zigzag lines, diamonds and cross lines detailing, making the design even more interesting in gold zari. Here's the gorgeous pallu, which has diamonds, huge paisleys with smaller paisleys and florals and leaf jal inside them, and all this work in gold zari. And here's a lovely contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG926. Weaver's price is 10,799. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now before moving on to the next sari, let me just welcome a very dear customer, Miss Lakshmi ji. Thank you so much for your compliment. Thank you for making our day, and I'm so glad that you're loving these saris already. Yes, these saris are very exclusive, they're very unique, and of course they are in beautiful colors and combination. Please make sure that you're placing your order right away to avail to the weavers prices, which are valid only for 24 hours. Moving on to the next one now. This one is a beautiful bright orange color Kanchipattu sari, and on the body of this one we have floral buttis. All this work is in gold zari, which is making a beautiful pattern on the body, and the border has dollars, diamonds, paisleys and peacocks in boxes in gold zari. Here's our very beautiful pallu in red color, which has florals, and we have floral brocade work, so there are florals in cross checks along with the paisleys with a lot of floral detailing in gold zari. Beautiful gorgeous work, very royal sari, and such a lovely contrasting blouse in red color. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG941. Weaver's price is 10,799. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So ladies, please let me know what colors you're looking forward to in today's episode, because I'm going to show you many more gorgeous sarees. Stay tuned till the end of this episode. Moving on to the next one now. Here comes a very classy saree. This one is in grey color with gorgeous copper zari work over it. On the body we have small floral buttis in copper zari, which is contrasting with the grey color and adding a beautiful shine to it. The border has temples, dollars in boxes, florals and leaf jal, and cross lines in copper zari. Here's the beautiful pallu, which has cross lines over it in copper zari. Very simple and elegant work. And let me now show you the self blouse, which has brocade work over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG951. Weaver's price is 16,500. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to next very beautiful sari. This one is in a bright and beautiful combination of yellow with blue. Let me show you the details right away. Here it is. Here's the gorgeous sari for all my gorgeous ladies from the Kanchipattu collection, and on the body we have floral buttis in gold zari. The border in blue color has florals and leaves all over it in champagne gold zari, and there are cross lines too in champagne gold zari with small diamonds and lines. Floral brocade work over it in gold zari again. Let me now show you the gorgeous contrasting blouse, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG956. Weaver's price is 14,399. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Ladies, before moving on to the next saree, let me just remind you that please make sure you are liking, following and subscribing to us on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube, because every day we come up with amazing new collections of sarees and exclusive weavers prices. When you follow us, you stay updated about current trends and fashion, and when you wear sarees from Varamahalakshmi Silks, you become the fashion icon of every function that you attend. Moving on to the next one now. And here's a beautiful gorgeous maroon with blue color Kanchipattu sari, and on the body of this one we have floral buttis in gold zari. Such a classy sari. The border is a beautiful contrasting blue color border. We have leaf jal, zigzag lines, florals and leaf jal, cross lines, and then huge peacocks with huge florals and leaf jal again in gold zari, which is adding a beautiful shine to the blue color border. Here is our pallu. which has leaf booties. Then we have florals in boxes and zigzag lines and all this gorgeous work in gold zari. And such a beautiful contrasting blouse is there. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG935. Weaver's price is 14,399. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now ladies, before moving on to the next sari, I will be showing you these simple steps. Just follow them to follow VML on Facebook and stay updated about your collections, Weaver's prices and lives too. Let's move on to it now. Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos. Here I am back with another very gorgeous sari. This one is a beautiful shade of green and red. Let's have a look at the details. On the body we have leaf booties with floral booties, all the beautiful work in gold zari, shining brightly and beautifully. Border is in red color. We have paisleys with florals and leaves, jal, cross lines, peacocks in boxes and leaf booties, and all this beautiful work is in gold zari, which looks extremely royal on the red color. We have a contrasting pallu in red color, which has cross lines, huge leaf booties with a lot of floral detailing inside it in gold zari. And a very lovely contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG957. Weaver's price is 11,999. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just welcome our very dear customer, Ms. Zareen ji. Hello, hi and welcome to you. And I hope you're enjoying today's episode. Please let me know what colors you're looking forward to so that I can show you more of your favorites from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Moving on to the next gorgeous one. Here's a very beautiful and simple and elegant cream color Kanchipattu sari, and on the body we have copper zari floral booties, very gorgeous work adding a beautiful shine on the body. On the border we have temples, cross lines, floral booties and diamonds with zigzag lines in copper zari. And here's our pallu, which has zigzag lines over it in copper zari again. The sari has a very lovely self blouse, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CC10. Weaver's price is 8,479 rupees, and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. So ladies, are you letting me know your answers in the comment section down below, because I want to know your favorite colors and I will be able to show you more of your favorites from Varamahalakshmi Silks. You can place your orders right away to avail to the amazing Weaver's prices, and also you could be the next lucky draw winner. Moving on to the next one. Here's a beautiful and gorgeous sari. Let me show you the color of the sari. This one is in sea green with royal blue color Kanchipattu sari, and on the body we have circular butties. Inside that we have floral detailing in silver zari. Very classy sari. And border, which is in royal blue color, has florals and leaves jal. We have small zari boxes. Inside that we have cross lines, diamonds and zigzag lines. All this work in silver zari. And here's the beautiful pallu, which has diamond brocade work over it. We also have horses with peacocks and florals and leaves jal with zari boxes in silver zari too. Let me now show you the contrasting blouse for the sari, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG953. Weaver's price is 7,519 rupees, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So ladies, our next sari is a very classy and beautiful red color Kanchipattu sari, and let me show you the details right away so that you can place your orders also right away. Here it is. Very lovely sari in a beautiful color. On the body of this one, we have floral buttees in a curvy checks and cross checks all over the body in gold zari. The border has zari lines, florals and leaves, jal, peacocks with florals around them. We have diamonds and cross lines, and all those beautiful work is in gold zari. Here is our contrasting beautiful pallu which has lovely work over it. So we have peacocks with florals and leaves jal, and then we have cross lines and all this gorgeous work in gold zari. And a beautiful self blouse for the beautiful sari. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG934. Weaver's price is 13,599. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now before moving on to the next sari, let me just thank our very dear customer Miss Meghna ji, and thank you so much for your compliment. And since you want to see a baby pink sari, and I don't think we have it in today's collection, but I am going to show you another gorgeous pink color sari. If you like it, please place the order right away, and if you want another specific shade of pink, you can always take an appointment from Varamahalakshmi Silks, and then our executives will give you a video call at your time of convenience and show you all the beautiful shades of pink that you want to see. An amazing choice, let me say that. Moving on to the next sari, which is specially for Miss Meghna ji. On the body of this gorgeous hot pink color sari, we have zari checks and silver zari. And a beautiful contrasting border which is in blue color, has florals in zari lines. It's a gap style border in gold zari. Here's a contrasting pallu in blue color which has zari lines over it in gold. And such a beautiful contrasting blouse is there. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG945. Weaver's price is 15,999, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to next beautiful sari. This one is a very pretty green color kanchipattu sari. Let me show you the details right away. Green with pink, amazing color combination. Let's have a look at the details. On the body of this beautiful green color sari, we have peacock buttees in gold zari. And our border, which is in pink color, has cross lines, dollars and boxes, zigzag lines, peacocks with florals and leaves chal, and again cross lines in gold zari. Very gorgeous work. Here's the contrasting pallu which has paisleys. We have gold zari kadi and diamond brocade work, all the beautiful work in gold zari. And such a lovely contrasting blouse in pink color. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG958. Weaver's price is 10,799. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. So dear ladies, our next gorgeous sari is for a very gorgeous customer, Miss Parvati ji. I'm going to show you a beautiful, simple and elegant beige sari. And of course, I have shown many more saris in beige color in this episode. So please make sure you're watching this episode from the beginning once we save these videos on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube to select your favorite beige sari. Moving on to the next one. Here comes such a pretty sari in beige and blue color combination for Miss Parvati ji. On the body, we have paisleys in self-embossed work. Inside the paisleys, we have a lot of intricate floral detailing which makes the sari even more elegant and pretty. Border is in light blue color, has florals and leaves jal with huge peacock buttees, and we have cross lines in gold zari. Here is our beautiful pallu which has brocade work over it. We have peacocks with florals and then cross lines. In the cross lines we have dollars in gold zari. And there's a lovely contrasting blouse in light blue color. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CA867. Weaver's price is 7,999. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Our next saree is a very elegant bottle green color saree. Let's have a look at the details right away, ladies. And before that, let me tell you that we provide global courier service and cash on delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. Here's the next saree. On the body of this beautiful bottle green color saree, we have floral booties, and these are in curvy checks in silver zari, which is contrasting beautifully with the bottle green color. The border, which is in light green color, has floral jal, dollars in boxes, florals, cross lines, huge circular floral booties and florals again, all the beautiful work in gold zari. Here's the pallu, which is in green color, and it has florals and cross checks in gold zari. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse in green color. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG330. Weaver's price is 9,599 rupees. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Dear customers, our next gorgeous saree is for a very gorgeous customer, Miss Suraksha ji. Let me show you this beautiful maroon with blue color Kanchipattu saree. Let's have a look at it. On the body of this one, we have floral booties and gold zari. It looks very classy. The color combination is very beautiful, and gold zari is bringing out the beauty of maroon color even more. The border is in blue color and has florals and leaves jal with cross lines, and then peacocks with florals and leaves jal in champagne gold zari. And here's the beautiful pallu, which has florals and zigzag lines in gold zari. Here's a beautiful contrasting blouse in blue color, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG935. Weaver's price is 14,399. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now ladies, before moving on to the next saree, let me just welcome a very beautiful customer, Miss Rani Kumari ji, and thank you so much for joining our live today, and sorry for all the inconvenience. We will definitely give you a video call and show you all the beautiful sarees right away. So please make sure that you're staying tuned in today's episode and watching the beautiful sarees. You might find your perfect saree in an episode. Now moving on to the next saree. This one is a beautiful red with green color Kanchipattu saree, very gorgeous one. And on the body of this one, we have floral booties in gold zari. Gold zari makes any color looks very royal, very gorgeous. And here's the contrasting border in bottle green color, which has circular floral booties, zigzag lines and cross lines in gold zari. Here's a contrasting pallu, which has peacocks, paisleys, florals in boxes and cross lines in gold zari. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse in green color. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG952. Weaver's price is 15,840. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to the next beautiful saree from the Kanchipattu collection. These sarees are pure Kanchipuram silk sarees. Very authentic, very traditional too. Moving on to the next one now. Let's have a look at it. Here it is, ladies, a beautiful color combination for all my beautiful ladies. On the body of this lovely sari, which is in sea green and red color, we have florals and leaves jal on the body in silver zari. Silver zari is making the sea green color look very beautiful. And the lovely bright red color border has dollars in boxes, parrots, florals and leaves jal, and zigzag lines in gold zari. Here's the contrasting pallu, which has floral zigzag lines, and then we have brocade work in gold zari, and a very beautiful contrasting blouse to place in order. Please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG936. Weaver's price is 15,199. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next beautiful sari, let me just welcome a very beautiful customer, Miss Abhilasha ji, and thank you so much for your lovely compliment. Please make sure that you're staying tuned till the end of this episode because I have many more gorgeous saris to show to you, all of you. Moving on to the next one now. Here's a beautiful orange color kanchi pattu sari, orange with red color, very beautiful color combination, lovely bright saris here. Body has floral buttees in diamond shapes, which is making a beautiful pattern all over the sari in gold zari. Border is in red color. There are dollars, diamonds, paisleys in boxes, peacocks in boxes, and all this work in gold zari, looking gorgeous as usual. Pallu in red color has florals and florals in cross checks, gold zari, brocade work. And here's the beautiful contrasting blouse to place in order. Please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG954. Weaver's price is 10,799 and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now ladies, before moving on to the next sari, let me just tell you about a very special offer that is going on at Varamahalakshmi Silks. तो जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं, त्योहारों का सीजन आ गया है 2022 में, एंड संक्रांति आ रही है, लोहड़ी भी बोलते हैं उसको, हम लोग बिहू भी बोलते हैं, पोंगल भी बोलते हैं, बहुत सारे डिफरेंट नेम्स, बट बहुत ही बड़ा सेलिब्रेशन ऑल अक्रॉस द कंट्री. सो लेडीज़, इस त्यौहार के सीज़न में हम लोग देंगे एक लकी ड्रॉ को 2500 का गिफ्ट वाउचर, एंड हम लोग रोज़ एक लकी ड्रॉ विनर सेलेक्ट करेंगे 14 जनवरी तक. सो प्लीज़ मेक श्योर कि आप जल्द से जल्द शॉपिंग करते रहेंगे बिकॉज आप बन सकते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट लकी ड्रॉ विनर, एंड आप इस वाउचर को रिडीम कर सकते हैं फ़ौरन, तुरंत, इमीडिएटली, और अपने नेक्स्ट शॉपिंग एक्सपीरियंस पे ऑन द वेबसाइट. सो लेडीज़, प्लीज़ मेक श्योर दैट यू आर वॉचिंग अ लाइव्स एवरी सिंगल डे एंड शॉपिंग टू. मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट गॉर्जियस साड़ी इन येलो कलर. On the body of this beautiful yellow color kanchipattu sari, we have florals and diamonds and cross checks. All this work in copper zari is giving a gorgeous shine to the yellow color body. The lovely border has temples, cross lines and diamonds in copper zari. Again, beautiful shiny work is there. Beautiful bling is there on the sari. And here is the pallu. Our pallu has dollar brocade work in copper zari too. Let's have a look at the contrasting blouse in pink color, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ482. Weaver's price is 15,999. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's have a look at the next beautiful sari from today's collection of Kanchipattu saris, pure Kanchipuram silk saris. Moving on to it. Here's a lovely violet with sea green color Kanchipattu sari. On the body of this one, we have florals and leaves jal in silver zari. Lovely sea green color border has leaves. Florals and dollars in boxes, peacocks with florals and leaves jal, cross lines, and florals and cross checks in gold zari. Gold zari is looking very beautiful on the sea green color. And a lovely contrasting pallu has florals and cross checks, brocade work in champagne gold zari again. I'm now going to show you the lovely contrasting blouse for this sari, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG943. Weaver's price is 15,749. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now ladies, before moving on to the next beautiful sari, I will be showing you these simple steps. Just follow them to follow VML on Facebook and stay updated about the collections, our weavers prices and live timings too. Moving on to it.
నమస్తే, నేను మీ సంగీత. నేను ఇక్కడ వరమహాలక్ష్మికి వచ్చి ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ అంతా చాలా బాగుంది, బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేశాను. మీరు కూడా ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ చూడాలంటే ప్లీజ్ లాగ్ ఆన్ టు Kanchi VML Silks in Facebook, Insta and also on YouTube, and you can shop online freely, peacefully. And if you want to go in person, the shops are located in Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Andhra.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos. So here ladies, I am back and now I am going to show you even more beautiful sarees from today's episode of Kanchipattu collection. Let's have a look at it. This one is a very lightweight saree and this one is in a beautiful shade of green with beige color. On the body we have floral booties with zigzag lines, and all this work is in self-embossed. The beautiful border has florals and leaves jal and zari boxes. The work is in silver and copper zari. Here's the contrasting pallu, which has florals and cross checks in silver zari, which is contrasting beautifully with the beige color. And such a beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG946. Weaver's price is 7,832. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next gorgeous saree, let me just welcome a very gorgeous customer, Miss Geeta ji, who wants to see a baby pink with sea green color saree, and unfortunately I do not have that particular combination in today's episode. So what you have to do is take an appointment from Varamahalakshmi Cells, and then our executives will give you a video call at a time of convenience and show you the beautiful sarees that you want to see in various colors and price ranges too. So please don't wait any longer and take your appointment right away. Moving on to the next beautiful one. So very classic saree, and it's in navy blue with cream color. On the body we have zari checks in silver zari. Border is in cream color and has stars, and inside the stars we have cherries. So very unique style design is there. Very lovely gold zari work. Very contemporary work. This is the beautiful contrasting pallu, which has zari checks and silver zari kadi over it. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse which has zari checks over it too. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG960. Weaver's price is 16,874. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next saree, let me just welcome our very dear customer, Miss Bakshika ji. Hi, hello and namaste to you. Please let me know how can I be of help to you. Please let me know what colors you are looking forward to in today's episode, so that I can help you out with your favorite sarees in your favorite colors, and you can place your orders right away from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Now moving on to the next gorgeous saree, let's have a look at it. It's a beautiful green with magenta color Kanchipattu saree. On the body we have floral buttees in silver zari shining brightly and beautifully. Border has florals and leaves all over it in silver zari with temples, dollars in boxes and silver zari kadi. A beautiful contrasting pallu in bright pink color which has zigzag lines in silver zari over it. And a very lovely contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG947. Weaver's price is 7,519. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now before moving on to the next sari, let me just welcome our very dear customer Miss Meghna ji, and thank you so much for your lovely compliment. Thank you for loving our saris and thank you for all your love and support. Now ladies, please make sure that you're staying tuned till the end of today's episode because I'm going to show you many more gorgeous saris. These saris are very exclusive, they are very authentic and traditional, pure Kanchipuram silk saris. Moving on to the next one. This one is a very lovely sari in sea green color. Body has leaf buttees in geometrical leaves checks. Lovely and intricate gold zari work is there all over the body. Border has peacocks, dollars, cross lines, circular floral buttees in boxes, and again we have cross lines and peacocks, all this gorgeous work in gold zari. Here's the lovely pallu which has paisleys and florals in boxes, and then we have zigzag lines and small paisleys, all this beautiful work in gold zari. And I will now be showing you the beautiful blouse. It's a lovely contrasting blouse in pink color. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CB566. Weaver's price is 15,749. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next sari now, and this one is also a very bright and beautiful Kanchipattu sari. Let's have a look at the details of this beautiful sari. Here it is. So this one is a lovely mustard with pink color Kanchipattu sari, and on the body of this one we have paisleys and floral buttees inside circles, and these circles are in zigzag lines in gold zari. The zigzag lines have florals and leaves, so a beautiful detailing is there all over the body in gold. Bright and beautiful contrasting border with peacocks and paisleys, florals and leaves chal and cross lines which have florals in them in gold zari. The beautiful contrasting pallu which has leaf buttees, and then we have florals in cross checks in gold zari. Lovely brocade work is there. And a very gorgeous contrasting blouse too. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG950. Weaver's price is 8,319, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to next very beautiful sari. This one is a very lovely light green color Kanchipattu sari. Moving on to it. On the body of this beautiful sari, which is in green and sea green color, we have florals and peacocks in silver zari on the body. So the florals and peacocks are inside circular buttees, beautiful silver zari work, adding a lovely shine to the green color body. Our sea green color border has temples, cross lines, zigzag lines, peacocks with florals and leaves jal, and all this gorgeous work in silver zari again. And a lovely pallu which has floral buttees in kadi, all this lovely work in silver zari. Let me now show you the contrasting blouse for this sari, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CD120. Weaver's price is 7,519. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. So ladies, the festive season is already upon us, so please make sure that you are placing the order for your favorite sari right away so that you can avail to the amazing Weaver's prices and add these lovely saris to your wardrobe too. Now moving on to the next one. This one is a very beautiful mehndi green color sari. Very lovely color. And on the body of this one, we have delicate floral buttis in gold zari. Very classy sari. The border is in wine color. It has diamonds, floral buttis, peacocks with florals and leaf jal, and again we have a repetition of work here in gold zari to create a balanced and beautiful design. Pallu has circular floral buttis with paisleys and peacocks, a lot of floral detailing, and then we have cross lines in gold zari. And such a gorgeous contrasting blouse in wine color. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY422. Weaver's price is 15,675 rupees, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now ladies, let me show you another lovely sari. This one is in blue color, a very lovely color combination. Let's have a look at the details of this one. The body of this gorgeous blue color sari has floral buttis, and then we have florals and leaves jal. All this lovely work in silver zari is there. And a beautiful combination with mehendi green color. So here we have dollars in boxes, crossed lines, florals and leaves jal, huge paisleys, and then again cross lines, all this beautiful gorgeous work in gold zari. Here's the contrasting pallu, which has floral brocade work in gold zari. And a lovely contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG948. Weaver's price is 9,599, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to our next sari. Another very classy sari from this Kantipattu collection is coming up for you. This beautiful body has silk checks on it in blue and off-white color, creating a lovely pattern on the body, giving it a very contemporary look. Very simple and elegant design. Border in purple color has zigzag lines. We have gap style border in gold zari. Beautiful contrasting pallu has gold zari lines over it. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order for this contemporary style sari, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG942. Weaver's price is 13,199. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Our next gorgeous and royal sari is in green and purple color. Let me show you the details right away. On the body of this gorgeous sari, we have floral buttis in silver zari, which is standing out a lot and giving it a beautiful shine, making the design very gorgeous, very lovely. Border is in a lovely indigo blue color, and we have florals, zigzag lines, peacocks, diamonds, and then we have peacocks with florals and leaves jal, peacocks in cross lines. A lot of gorgeous work is there in champagne gold zari. And here's the contrasting pallu, which has florals and diamond brocade work in gold zari. Let me now show you the contrasting blouse for this sari, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BR412. Weaver's price is 15,999, and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Another very contemporary style sari coming up for all the beautiful ladies. Let's have a look at it. Simple, elegant and classy. On the body of this one, we have self checks in yellow and green color. So beautiful weave, ladies. Very lovely design. Border in bright pink color has zari lines and paisleys. Inside the paisleys, we have peacocks and floral detailing in gold zari. Gorgeous work on the border also. And here's the contrasting pallu, which has gold zari kari all over it. Simple, elegant and classy again. Here's the beautiful contrasting blouse, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG939. Weaver's price is 15,999. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to another beautiful sari. This one is in bright pink color. Let me show you the details right away. On the body of this one, we have paisleys, buttees in silver zari. Very pretty work is there. Very delicate design. Border is in blue color, has zari checks in silver zari. Contrasting pallu has zigzag lines over it in silver zari too. And a lovely contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG944. Weaver's price is 11,999. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now ladies, before moving on to the next beautiful sari, I will be showing you these simple steps. Just follow them to follow VML on Facebook. Stay updated about our collections, Weaver's prices too. Moving on to it. Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos. Today's collection, let's have a look at the details. On the body, which is in peacock blue color, we have self-embossed small floral buttees with bigger leaf buttees in gold zari. There's a lovely contrasting blouse with temples, dollars and boxes, unicorns with florals and paisleys and cross lines. All this gorgeous work in gold zari, giving such a bright and lovely work and look to the sari. And here's the contrasting pallu, which has florals and cross checks, beautiful brocade work in gold zari. Here's the contrasting blouse, which has self-imposed work over it. And to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG937. Weaver's price is 17,624. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now ladies, before moving on to the next sari, let me just tell you that 2022 is already here and the festive season is already upon us. Now you can call it Sankranti, Pongal, Lohri and Bihu, many different names, but one huge celebration all across our country. And this festive season, we are going to give you a huge surprise and we are going to make your festive season even more happier and special by selecting one lucky draw winner every single day. And this winner will be given a gift voucher worth 2,500 rupees and you can redeem it right away or on your next shopping experience on our website from Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silks. Isn't that, ladies, amazing? Yes, it is. So please make sure that you keep watching our lives every single day and also keep shopping from Varamahalakshmi Silks too. Now moving on to the next gorgeous sari, another beautiful green color sari coming up for you. On the body of this lovely light green color sari, we have floral buttees in silver zari. Gorgeous and beautiful work is there. And the lovely blue color border has paisleys, florals and lines, cross lines, florals and leaves jal, again cross lines. All this beautiful work in gold zari is there. And such a gorgeous contrasting pallu which has florals in cross checks, beautiful gold zari brocade work. Let me now show you the contrasting blouse for this lovely light green sari, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CE729. Weaver's price is 9,599. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just welcome a very dear customer, Subhakaran ji. Thank you so much for joining us today and thank you for liking our saris. Please make sure that you're staying tuned till the end because I have many more beautiful saris to show and you can place the order for your friends and family too right away. Moving on to the next one. Another very lightweight and delicate saris here. This is in blue and beige color combination. On the body we have self-florals, self-embossed work, very lovely dandelion florals are there, lovely delicate design. And border has leaves in silver zari. The contrasting pallu has leaf brocade work in silver zari, beautiful gorgeous design. And such a lovely contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BX659. Weaver's price is 8,448. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now ladies, before moving on to the next sari, let me just answer a query by a very dear customer, Ms. Subhakaran ji, Mr. Subhakaran ji. So yes, we do deliver our saris to London also. We deliver our saris globally, worldwide. So no matter where you're sitting, we will get your saris to you in no time. So please make sure you're placing the order right away. And if you place the order within 24 hours, you can avail to the Weaver's prices too. Moving on to the next one now. This one is a very beautiful shade of light green with red color Kanchipattu sari, and on the body we have florals and cross checks in silver zari. And the lovely bright contrasting border in red color has parrots and florals and leaves, dollars in boxes, zigzag lines. Beautiful gold zari work is there. And a lovely contrasting blouse which has dollars in cross checks, beautiful gold zari brocade work again. Let me now show you the contrasting blouse. It's in red color, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG927. Weaver's price is 15,199 rupees, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So dear gorgeous ladies, now that we are done with these saris, I will be showing you the saris that are draped on the mannequin, so that you can have a look, you can understand how gorgeous you will look when you drape it on yourself, and with your lovely smile you're going to glow in it. Let me now show you the first one. Here it is. It's in beige and pink color, beige and baby pink color. It's a very gorgeous color combination. On the body we have floral buttis and zari. Very beautiful silver zari work on the body. Border, which is in pink color, has cross lines with florals and leaves in gold zari. Looking extremely beautiful, ladies. The color combination, the design, everything is too good. And the pallu has cross lines over it. We have a lovely contrasting blouse in pink color. And to place an order for this classy, gorgeous sari, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ496. Weaver's price is 13,199. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now we are moving on to the next sari. This one is such a bright and gorgeous red with mustard color Kanchipattu sari. The body has florals and leaves jal in zari. On the body we have silver zari work, which is adding a gorgeous shine, ladies, to the red color. The contrasting mustard border has contrasting gold zari work over it. We have florals and leaves jal with peacocks and cross lines. So you can see how beautiful two types of zari are looking. They look very gorgeous and add a lovely shine to the sari. The pallu has floral buttis and cross checks, and there's a contrasting blouse in mustard color. To place an order for this one, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CF973. Weaver's price is 9,599 rupees, and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now ladies, before moving on to the next sari, let's take blessings from the divine goddess and have an amazing weekend and a very pious and lovely shopping experience from Varamahalakshmi Silks as usual. And now I am going to show you the next beautiful sari. This one is in lime yellow with green color. Body has beautiful zari work over it. So we have florals in cross checks. The cross checks also have florals and leaves jal in them. Lovely silver zari all over the yellow color body. We also have peacocks in the cross checks, which makes the design even more interesting. Border is in green color. It has peacocks with florals and leaves jal. There are cross lines. Beautiful gold zari work. Pallu has leaf brocade work over it, and there's a contrasting blouse in green color. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG959. Weaver's price is 13,599. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. And ladies, get excited for the last sari for today's episode, because this one is one of the most gorgeous saris from today's collection. This one is in blue with pink color, classic color combination. Body has florals and leaves shawl and peacocks. All the beautiful work is in gold zari. You can see this detailing of the floral buttis and peacocks in red color thread work, which is making the design more prominent, more visible and more beautiful. Border is in pink color, has circular floral buttis with peacocks inside them, elephants, zigzag lines and cross lines in gold zari. The pallu has brocade work over it and a lovely contrasting blouse in pink color. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG955. Weaver's price is 15,599. You need to send the screenshot to 890001 0002. My dear beautiful ladies, I really hope that you enjoyed today's episode, which was about lovely Kanchipattu sarees, because I totally love presenting these beautiful sarees to my beautiful ladies. These sarees are very affordable, they are totally traditional and authentic and very exclusive too. These are pure Kanchipuram silk sarees. Please make sure that you are placing your orders right away to avail to the weavers' prices, which are valid only for 24 hours. So dear lovely ladies, we will be back tomorrow with another exciting episode. Until then, stay safe, keep shopping from Varamahalakshmi Silks and keep giving us lot of your love and lot of your support too. Namaskaram.
సో ఇప్పుడే నేను కంచిపురం వరమహాలక్ష్మి సిల్క్ స్టోర్కి వచ్చానండి. బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అనమాట. ఇక్కడ శారీ కలెక్షన్ కానీ ప్రైసింగ్ రేంజ్ కానీ చాలా 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 బాగుంది. సో ఎప్పటికప్పుడు లైవ్ అప్డేట్స్ని అండ్ ఆఫర్స్ని మిస్ కాకూడదంటే డూ ఫాలో కంచి విఎంఎల్ సిల్క్స్.